If you guys want to see how I refresh and tame this frizz, then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am in my bathroom. I'm getting ready to go. I did my makeup, which is just a little bit of eyeliner and some red lippies. I didn't put anything else on yet. Still have to do my eyebrows. But I wanted to tackle this hair. So this hair is actually, let me see. It's like 6-day hair. I actually styled it with, so when I styled this wash and go with the DEVACURL styling cream and the DEVACURL Be Leave-In. And look at my hair. I actually love this. I just took it out of the pineapple. I love this look. It's just really frizzy. So in this video, we are going to be taming this frizz. Now this hair definitely needs to be washed. It is getting drier, so I don't recommend you keep your wash and go for many days more after this. I'm just doing it because I'm going out and I want this look and I don't have time to wash my hair right now. So this is how I refresh it. So I'm gonna part my hair in two and I'm gonna leave this one off to the side for now. Just take my scrunchie. Great look. So the parts for me that get the most frizz, like if I lift this up, and that's also what's giving me so much volume, is that this kind of like fluffs up so much and it has no definition right there. So I'm going to take, I always take this piece right here, gently, because my hair is tangled. See that large piece? And I'm just gonna take this and clip it up. Now I know some people that refresh their hair, they kind of just wet their whole head and kind of restart their wash and go. I think that's just like, that's not really a refresh, because you're gonna have like a fresh kind of wash and go. Your hair is just not clean. So it's like me, I just like to wet the sections that need it. Now for most refreshes, depending on what day it is, I don't use product, but today my hair is in such a dry, crazy state that I am going to use a tiny bit of product. I usually try to use what I use for the wash and go. So let's see, because I am running out of my styling cream. So it's done. There's like nothing in here, so what am I going to use? What do I have? Do I have more styling cream? I don't even know. Let me go check. Because I'm like running out of like all my favorite products. I definitely have to restock. I don't have any more styling cream, which I need to get. Come on, Melissa. But I do have some of the DEVACURL Super Stretch. Tiny bit. I'm running out of that too. So I'm going to use a tiny bit of it. The styling cream, the Super Stretch, and the Super Cream, I feel like are similar textures. Styling cream is lighter, way lighter than the Super Stretch, so I'm only using a tiny bit and just putting it right there because this is where I get so much frizz right here. And just refreshing. I'm not really running my fingers through my hair because my hair is still fairly dry right here because I'm not soaking my hair in water. And I'm going to move to the next section. I'm gonna take some section off the back because I know that the back of my hair gets like super frizzy. See that? That's dry and frizzy. It's a cute look when it's nice and voluminous, but you don't like, I mean, I don't want my curls looking super dry and thirsty. Now when the curls are looking so crazy, like at the bottom there, I do detangle that like gently with my finger. So I take a little bit of extra water and I just go through it. That'll kind of take some of that frizz away and help define some of those curls that we're looking. Okay, I'm gonna take a tiny bit of the Super Stretch with water so it's nice and watered down and just run that through. So I said this is the first half of my hair, nice and refreshed. Now my hair might look like it's like super soaking wet. My roots are definitely dry, and this will take not too long to dry with when I diffuse it. So I am going to do this side, then I'm going to diffuse it. I'm going to show you guys the difference of my refreshed hair. So usually when my hair is this crazy, to refresh it, it probably takes me about 25 to 30 minutes. That's with the full refresh. We apply a little tiny bit of product and then dry. See, I always start with this bottom layer because this bottom layer you'll see is like the craziest. This is both sides refreshed. Now it looks pretty wet, but it's actually not that wet at all. The roots are pretty dry, so this should dry pretty quickly. I do smooth out my little baby hairs a little bit so they don't look crazy. So I'm now gonna use a little bit of the DEVACURL Diva Fresh Scalp and Curl Revitalizer. This stuff smells amazing. So if your hair smells a little funky, it won't after you use this. Not that my hair was smelling funky, but it also gives a tiny bit of hold and just kind of like refreshes those frizzy curls. So I'm gonna put some down here. I don't use this a lot. I'm just using this because this hair really did need a lot of help. I did have those fuzzies up here, so scrunch my ends a tiny bit since I did stretch them out a bit. And I am done. Now I'm gonna go dry it and I'll come back and show you guys the finished results. This is fully refreshed 6-day hair. It was looking crazy before. I do feel like this is going to be a good hair day. All right, so my hair is 100% dry. Look at that. It looks so much better. It still has volume, but now it's not as dry as it was before. Using that Diva Fresh at the end definitely added a little bit of hold, so it locked in some of that moisture that I added when I added some of the Super Stretch. That's why it's such a good refresh spray, guys. Also, guys, I do have an affiliate link for DEVACURL in the description box. If you guys are trying to get some of the products that I love to use from DEVACURL, click that link, you know, support your girl out. I do get a small percentage, so that would be amazing if you guys use that link. But I do genuinely like the Diva Fresh spray. It gives it like hold. I don't use it every day. I don't use it every single time I refresh. I use it when my hair is really crazy like it was today, and I need that little bit of hold and moisture in my hair. And it smells, oh my god, every time I fluff my hair out or move it around, it smells so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that this video maybe helps somebody in some way. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We have hit that 1K mark. I am so excited. I was waiting for it and it is finally here. Thank you guys so much for always supporting my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.